Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, unlike yesterday, most of the rain we've been seeing today hasn't made it across most of the coast range, basically sitting along the central north coast. Inland, though, a couple of light sprinkles trying to make their way to the ground around Salem, just north of Corvallis. Otherwise, we saw a nice afternoon once the morning clouds started to burn off, and we'll kind of repeat on that forecast as we go to the next couple of days. Let's head outside right now, and I'll show you what the rain is doing, though. In fact, we are still seeing some light showers, mainly around the Salem area. Again, you get up towards McMinnville, back off towards 101 to Newport and Lincoln City, a couple of light showers, and just trying to hug their way across some of the foothills as you get into the Cascade or the Coast Range there, over across parts of the I-5 corridor. Wider snapshot shows the front continues to hang up right across western Washington. Most of the energy, most of the moisture from this will continue to push north of us, and so if you're headed north up to Portland tonight or even tomorrow, one of the spots probably will be a little wetter in the state, the northwest corner. Today they got up to 80 degrees. We got up to 82, right on the button where we should be this time of year. 84 in Roseburg, and that 77 in North Bend. Well, that ties a record for this date that's set back in 1935. Still pretty warm out towards Coos Bay as well. They're at 71. Mid to low 70s now checking in across the valley. 80 in Roseburg, around 70 in Bend, and low 60s to around 60 out towards the mountains. All right, so there's our first front. This one will continue to hang up along the coast over the next, I'd say, 12 to 24 hours. High pressure aloft sitting over much of the Rockies, producing very, very warm conditions and explosive weather back east. Will start to drift slowly back off to the west. Should push some of this activity just off to the west of us, but it isn't going anywhere. And in fact, we'll still see that trough or that big dip in the jet stream continue to push these little fronts at us. Most of what we'll see the next couple of days, though, will be centered up around the northwestern end of the state. We'll see the morning clouds and some afternoon sun by Wednesday and Thursday. Then as we head in towards the weekend, we will start to see that low move a little closer to us, but it shouldn't happen until we get in towards Sunday's forecast. So right now, it looks like for both duck and beaver home openers, should be dry. So partly sunny at the coast, an isolated shower. Chances get a lot better as you head north up the coastline. Could also see another isolated shot Thursday. By the time we get to Sunday, Monday, though, that's when we'll really see, I think, more widespread chances for showers. Morning fog and afternoon sun in the UMPQUA Basin. Temperatures warmer the next couple days back into the mid-80s. And then a chance for some scattered showers on Sunday and Monday. Cascades mostly sunny and temperatures mild in the upper 60s, low 80s to upper 70s as you get out into Bend and Redmond. We'll also see a pretty quiet forecast for Central Oregon, and thunderstorms will start to fire again, I think, by Sunday and Monday. And finally in the valley, foggy start, sunny finish, right about where we were today. A little warmer Wednesday, and then the clouds return, but the showers don't until Sunday.
I see summer going away.
I know.
Oh, yes.
I don't want to admit it, but I do see it happening.
It's starting.
Thanks, Justin.